Hello everyone. Today we're gonna play. You're gonna see this. Attention, the game. We don't need that game.
Hello.
We could just continue.
I just wanted to send you a message to help you in your job. I used to work there. Well, but should I say, it's a stressful job. But don't worry, nothing bad going to happen. Here's a welcome letter
Just
that
play
I
it
was
like
supposed
that.
to
Look at
read.
that.
Welcome to the nice timmy pizzeria at Farmhouse, a medical place where fun is guaranteed. We are not responsible for any injuries. If you're dead or injured, a case call written unharmed. The building has to be cleaned. Blah blah blah. I know this sounds bad, but
The cat
it's really
just.
easy.
The cat.
Don't
Okay,
forget,
just
these
play it.
characters have a high party
Hey.
in a child's life, so be careful with them.
Upstairs.
Okay? The animatronics can't move at night. They weren't suspended to move in the morning each year, but since the murder 2018, new rules have been made. There is a safety system inside the robot. Oh yeah, his pizzeria has been hurt a lot. We will talk tomorrow. Watch the cameras, and if you see something break, just call me and close the door.
What's wrong?
Don't waste the power. Good night.
Have you heard this electricity is dangerous? No? This information didn't cost much.
Whoa.
Your life.
Do you see that, everyone? That is so scary. That's so scary. And I'm bored. Kick the buddy. Okay. Skip night 2. I don't want to. So everyone, do you this find out that noise Timmy's demo? Oh, okay. That's just new game.
Hello.
Hello.
I just wanted to send you a message to help you in your job. I used to work there. Well, but should I say, it's a stressful job, but don't worry, nothing too bad going to happen. Here's a welcome letter that I was forced to read. Welcome to the nice timmy pizzeria at Farmhouse, a medical place where fun is guaranteed.
Okay. Yeah.
We are not responsible for any injuries.
Okay.
Death or
Yeah.
injuries,
Yeah.
written unharmed.
Come
The
on.
building has to be cleaned. Blah blah blah. I know this sounds bad, but it's really easy. Don't forget, these characters have a high party in a child's life, so be careful with them. Okay?
What is this?
The animatronics
It's not even
can't
making
move at
sense.
night.
Huh?
They were suspended to move in the morning each year, but
Look at this
since
guy.
the murder,
And look at this guy and this guy.
the rules
Cactus
have
head
been made.
and the
There is
blue shirt.
a safety
The blue shirt
inside the
one
robot.
and
Oh
the
yeah.
the big body. Okay, a big body with a red shirt.
Something break, just call me and
Is that an
don't waste the power.
Okay, I'm getting bored. Okay, this is so noisy. You don't need temperature, power. It's 8. No beeping. Okay, now the animatronics are in the same place. I even don't know what this is like. This is 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. But this is sure like the Five Freddy's Pizzeria. Oh, no. no. Everybody shark is coming.
Have I told you that every dead bad person I became close with has never survived? Oh wait, that's you.
Okay, just bye-bye. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. This is so scary.